In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a loan from Capital One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all of the loan options that Capital One offers and how you can go about to sign up for them. So first, I just want to make it very clear that according to my research, Capital One does not offer personal loans. However, they will still have different types of loans available, like an auto loan and loans related to business. So they will have loans and lines of credit available as you can see here. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on an auto loan, but you can apply the principles in this video to any loans available in Capital One. So first, determine the loan that you need. Go through the process and find it here. Usually on the website, you just have to hover over the category and then choose it here to see the loans that they have available. And then when you click on them, you will be redirected to the appropriate page. Next, check your eligibility. Capital One generally requires a good or excellent credit score for most loans. So if your credit score is poor, then sadly, you will not be able to get a loan from Capital One. You will have to explore alternative options. Next, you will need to provide information about your income and debt to income ratio. So be aware of all of that. Next, gather the required documents, so proof of identity such as a driver's license or passport, proof of income, information about your employment history, and your address, proof of address such as a utility bill. Next, you will be able to do it online or in person. If you want to talk to one of the representatives and get the most up-to-date information, it would be best to go over to a branch, but you can do it online, so you will be able to see if you pre-qualify in minutes. Just choose the option if you are new to Capital One, or if you are already a customer, and you will be able to go through this process. Now sadly, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you this full process on screen, but regardless, you will be able to do this process on your own and see it done. They will give you the loan terms and the best options that they have available for you, and as long as you create your account in Capital One, you will be able to proceed and see how this works. You will be able to navigate through all of the options and see the custom rates that they have for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a loan from Capital One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.